In the days after the Great Flood, when the whole world spoke one language and lived as one people, humanity grew strong and proud. They dreamed of reaching the very heavens themselves. Unity of people. The people of Shinar gathered together on the wide plains. With one voice and one purpose, they said, "Come, let us build a city and a tower that reaches the sky, so that we may make a name for ourselves." The decision to build. The leaders stood among the people, pointing upward with ambition. Workers molded clay into bricks and baked them in fire. The air was filled with determination, hope, and human pride. The tower begins to rise. Brick by brick, the tower grew taller. Scaffolding wrapped around its walls. Ladders filled with workers carrying baskets of stone. The people looked up with amazement at what they had achieved together. Pride in their achievement. As the tower touched the clouds, the people celebrated. They boasted in their strength, believing there was nothing beyond their power. But above them, the skies began to darken. A silent warning. God observes. From the heavens, God looked down. He saw not faith, but pride. He saw not unity in love, but unity in rebellion. And so, in his wisdom, he decided to act. The confusion of tongues. In an instant, voices changed. One spoke and another could not understand. Shouts of anger, cries of confusion, words twisted into strange sounds. The people no longer shared the same tongue. Abandoning the tower, work came to a halt. The tower stood unfinished, a broken dream. People turned away from one another, no longer united, no longer able to work together. The scattering of nations. From that day, the people of the earth spread across the world. They carried new languages, new cultures, and new lands. The once proud tower became silent and empty. Lesson: the Tower of Babel became a symbol for all time. A reminder that human pride cannot replace God's wisdom, and that true unity comes not from ambition, but from faith and humility before Him.